I'm Kimmie. I live on 73 acres off-grid in beautiful Northern Idaho. My best friend bought the land and invited me to leave my city life to come help her build a homestead. And this is my journey. All right, so obviously it's raining, so I can't do the video that I wanted to do and check the hive today, just for my normal hive inspection. We talked a little bit about maintenance of hives and how often you should do it. You ask a beekeeper, and each beekeeper that you ask will tell you a different story on what they feel is best for your hive and how often you get into it. Because I'm a beginner, I'm gonna check it every 7 days. I wanna make sure that I check it before the bees decide they are running out of space and they decide to swarm. So as soon as the weather gets nice again, we're gonna go ahead and check that. But I want to talk a little bit about farm life. So I'm going to be totally real with you here. I am going to sound like a total idiot, but there are a few things that I didn't know, and I'm going to talk about those a little bit. Animals just are such characters. They each have their own different personalities, different things they do, different things that you like or don't like about them. I'll give you an example. So ducks, they are adorable, especially when they have fresh water. They swim in their little like pond or whatever you put your water in, and they just frolic and have the best time. But they are the stinkiest animals I have ever had to deal with. It's just, they're terrible. They're super cute when they're small, but as they get older and bigger, they're just not as fun. So goats, on the other hand, goats have some big personalities. They can be such characters. They are like toddlers, literally get into everything, mess with things, eat things, knock things over, but they also, as long as they are bottle fed and raised around people, they are just the sweetest things. They just want to cuddle with you. Baby goat's all over me, wanting some food. Say hi. This is Bud, and that's Sissy. So yeah, we're trying to get them to drink from this. So yeah, hi. They think I'm their mama right now. So one of the best experiences I had on the farm so far is when I first got here. We got the baby goats and we were bottle feeding them. And at night, it was summer, and we would sit outside and pull down this white sheet and watch movies, and we'd have baby goats on our lap while we watched movies out on the sheet outside. It was like the best experience. There's my bud. Hi, bud. There's Sissy. Hi, Sissy. How are you, girl? Sissy loves her loves. So she was one of the bottle babies. You're a sweet girl, huh? Bud here, he also was the other bottle baby. Hi, honey. Bud's a bit of a sweetheart, aren't you? He's a good guy. If you can see, goats have these mega long eyelashes and crazy eyes. Okay, so the funny thing about roosters is they will sneak up behind you, and you will hear the pitter patter of their little feet coming up behind you, and you do this like back kick, and sometimes you can get them, often you can't, and you have to walk around with a stick just to make sure that they don't do the dirty fighting that they like to do. He's trying to chase after me every time I turn my back. So the chickens I've talked about a little bit. I was fascinated by the fact that these brown girls lay these beautiful blue eggs, but then our other chickens, the white ones, they lay these brown eggs. Another fascinating thing to me is bunnies like Miss Lily here don't really have these beautiful fluffy tails. If you notice here, her tail is flat and she rolls it up and then it looks fluffy. So Lily here just had babies, and I also didn't realize that bunnies will dig a burrow for their babies. They will cover their babies up until the babies are old enough to actually come out and see the world. And then they go in and feed the babies once a day and then bury them back up to keep them safe from predators. I also didn't know before I started living this farm life that turkeys are not constantly fluffy. The male turkeys floof themselves up as a show of, attraction for the female turkeys. But there are times that they look exactly the same as a female turkey. And I didn't realize that they didn't stay that way. I thought that's what they always looked like. Oh my goodness, look at this. He's all fancy. He likes to do fancy things. Look at him doing a little dance. This is so crazy. So I've also learned that goats don't have teeth on their upper jaw. They have a hard palate that they grind their food with their lower teeth. So they look like little old people with no teeth. Bud, can I see your teeth? Let's see. You are so cute. No teeth. All right, guys, something exciting is getting ready to happen. July 23rd of this year, there's a big YouTube meetup here in Northern Idaho, very close by. If you're interested in coming to this, the slots are limited. So I suggest you get on the website and check it out. Put your name down on the waiting list, and they will let you know as soon as they open up registration. Like I said, there's a limited amount of space just due to parking and such, but I would love to meet you guys. If you guys come, please find me, talk to me. I will be a speaker along with 'Cause We Can Farms, which is the other channel that I'm on. For those of you that know, it's gonna be super exciting. We're gonna have giveaways, lots of prizes. Some big YouTube names are gonna be there. You don't wanna miss it. So I will post a URL here and you can check it out and get put on that wait list. I hope to see you there. All right, that's it. Those are the fun facts, the things that I've learned this short time that I've been on farm life. I find these things fascinating. You may have already known these, but maybe you do not. I'm sure I'll come across some more fun facts for you down the road. I am so grateful that I can do this and live this life. I am also very grateful for you for coming and watching and just being there, being my friends, being encouraging. And if you're new to the channel, if you like this channel, please hit a thumbs up, or you can subscribe. That will also greatly help my channel. Subscription is free. It doesn't cost anything. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.